Hi everyone, this is Candace Gilligan, and again we're going to be learning about Unity and how to do the XR Toolkit management. What we want to go to do is go up to Window and then go to Package Manager. We're going to go to Unity Registry and scroll down all the way to the XR Plugin Management. Then you go over to here to the right of it to install the project and let it load. Right now it's installing. Alright, and then we're going to go on to OpenXR plugin, and we're going to install that. And then since this game is going to be for Oculus Quest 2, we're going to also install the Oculus XR plugin. Alright, we're also going to install the XR Interaction Toolkit. It's a high-level, component-based interaction system for creating VR and AR experiences. It provides a framework that makes 3D and UI interactions available from Unity input events. The core of this system is a set of base interactor and interactable components, and the interaction manager that ties these two types of components together. It also contains components that you can use for locomotion and drawing visuals.